This is Joe from Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. This is a creek on my property, and it's dry, no running water. I've never seen this in the 40 years that I have lived here, and I think this is crazy. This is a closer look at the creek, and I could see that there were some trees along crossing the creek, but it's pretty dry. You know, I'm further down in the creek bed, and this is totally amazing. I think I'm shocked that after all these years, it's dry right now, and well, we haven't had rain for a while, and there is a drought up in New Hampshire right now. This is another view, and you can see the trees that are in the creek bed. Go down a little further, and you'll see, yep, there we go. Right here is the overflow area of the creek. Just going to pan a little bit, and usually when it rains, this overflow area fills up. Well, this is amazing. We got 2 days of rain, and my creek is flowing again. Here's another view, and I'm happy. It looks really nice to have the creek flowing again. We're going to get some more rain next week, so we'll see how that goes. This is Joe, Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. In the creek, it rained. We got a good amount of water, and my wife and I are walking in the creek with our water shoes right now.